This number, sentiment going in the wrong direction, Dolly. Why? Is it the affordability issue?
It's totally affordability, but there's regulation, there's affordability, there's so many headwinds. So all the builders have to really say a prayer before they dig a shovel in the ground, because it's not easy.
Right.
It's a tough business.
You have high mortgage rates, 6.5%. Hopefully they'll come down in September when hopefully the Fed will lower interest rates. You have highest median home price at $435,000. You have low supply. So really the first-time home buyer is the one that's struggling, or the startup buyer. On the high end, though, things are selling really well. We're very busy.
Well, this number, so the average 30-year fixed rate, 6.64%,
Right.
is certainly down from January's 7%.
Right.
But that didn't
But
shake
it helps
out
a little.
A little. It
Yeah.
doesn't shake out the logjam because of inventory. But again, doesn't matter. Even if there's more inventory, that affordability issue, how do you begin to tackle that?
The only way is the new builds, they are able to give mortgages or buy down mortgage rates, okay? So their incentives are to do those things to make a deal, right? And an existing owner can't do that, right? They might do it on a one-off, but builders can do that all through the process. So that's what they're doing. They're buying down rates. They're giving loans to someone who may be not so loan worthy because they can take back the house.
Discounts at close. They'll do upgrades for you, right?
Exactly.
As Dolly said, new homes can do that. The regular Jane Doe isn't able to necessarily do
You know, Jenny, the Trump tariffs certainly hit things like Canadian lumber.
Oh,
right.
What other kinds of changes and increases in costs are not helping the situation due to this question about tariffs?
Right, so we get about 30% of our lumber from Canada, and 90% of homes in America use soft lumber as their main building material, right? So any tariff on lumber is not good. It's going to squeeze margins for home builders, and therefore they're going to have to give it onto the consumer, right? What are they going to do? Any regulation, as Jeff said, about 28% of costs are due to regulation. So any way to streamline regulation for the home builders in terms of zoning really would help the bottom line and people be able to afford it.
And labor is huge. You know, we go to many construction sites. That's a lot of what we do. And we see they're half empty, right? They can't get people to work. So, you know, part of it is, you know, the immigration issues and those issues. But that's really taken a hit for the developer.
Okay, so when I ask, is it a buyer's or a seller's market or neither, what is the answer?
Honestly, neither. Because you know what? In some places it's buyers, in some places it's sellers, but it's not overwhelmingly either.
Do you agree, Jenny?
Right, because of the golden handcuffs where most people have a low mortgage rate in this country, above 4%, let's say, nobody's going to upsize or downsize.
Still.
Yeah.
Right. So people, you know, who may have had the kids leave the house, they're in this big house, it doesn't make sense for them to leave, right? And people who just had another kid, it doesn't make sense for them to upsize.
But Trump had a great solution, right, to that? So he is saying that maybe we can get rid of capital gains.
Right, he's floating removing the capital gains tax
on the sale of your primary residence, which would be amazing.
That would be
That would
huge.
free up so much inventory.
Right, because now you can only deduct $500,000 if you're a married couple, or $250,000 if you're single. But if, for example, you bought a house for $100,000 in 1970 and now you want to sell it for $1 million,
yes,
right? At least you can shelter that whole $900,000 and not just $500,000.
Okay, but this